Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, I'm going to read a very short morning speech on the topic Importance of Punctuality. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Punctuality means the habit of completing any task on time. We all know that punctuality is a very good habit which helps an individual to achieve success in life. When a person becomes punctual, he not only gets disciplined but also earns a huge respect from others. We all should make a habit of completing our task on time so that we can maintain the discipline and order in our life. As students, we must be punctual to be more disciplined, responsible, and achieve our goals within a specific time period. If we become a punctual student, then we can always be at the right time, whether be it in school, in the lab, in class, at home, in the examination hall, at the playground, etc. Every individual must understand that time once lost can never come back. We cannot make and get back to the lost time. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that if you want to be successful, be punctual first. So with this, we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to English Learning as well. See you in my next video and thank you so much for watching.